practicespeak.com.
Hey there, welcome back to Practice Speak. In today's video, we're going to do some listening practice. Our focus will be on asking questions and making inquiries. You'll hear a compilation of short conversations where people are asking for information and making inquiries. Listen carefully and try to notice how the questions are asked and answered. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the iStore.
Sure, the iStore is on the second floor.
How do I get there?
First, go straight ahead and take the escalator to the second floor.
Okay, then what?
Once you're on the second floor, turn right. You'll see a large department store.
Got it.
Walk past the department store, and the iStore will be just ahead on your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Actually, one more question. I'm hungry. Where's the food court?
The food court is on the same floor. Just keep walking straight past the iStore.
Oh, perfect. Is there a Mexican food restaurant in the mall?
Yes, there's a Mexican restaurant in the food court. Once you get there, you'll see it on the right side.
Great. Thanks again for your help.
No problem. Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course, how can I help you?
I'm looking for the restroom. Where is it?
Sure, the restroom is on the second floor.
How do I get there?
First, go straight ahead until you see the escalators.
Okay, straight ahead to the escalators.
Yes, then take the escalator up to the second floor.
Got it. What next?
When you reach the second floor, turn left. Walk a few steps and you'll see the restroom sign on your right.
Turn left, then look for the sign on the right.
That's correct.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, is this the laundromat?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I need to wash some clothes. How does it work?
Load your clothes, add detergent, and pay here. Do you need detergent?
Yes, please. Where can I get some?
We sell detergent over there. Each wash is $2.50. Drying costs 25 cents for 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome!
Excuse me, do you know if there's a jogging trail here?
Yes, there's a trail that goes around the lake. It's about 2 kilometers long.
That's perfect. I just moved to the area, so I'm still exploring.
Oh, welcome. This park is a great spot. There's also a playground, a picnic area, and a small cafe near the entrance.
That sounds nice. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every morning to walk my dog. He loves running around.
I see. What's his name?
His name is Max. He's very friendly.
That's a cool name. I think I'll start jogging here regularly. It's a peaceful place.
Definitely. And if you like cycling, there's a bike path as well.
Good to know. Thanks for the tips.
No problem. Enjoy your run.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Hey, Amber. Long time no see. How's everything going?
Hi, Ben. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been good. Thanks for asking. By the way, I started using Instagram recently.
Oh, really? That's cool. What's your username? I'll make sure to follow you.
Thanks, Ben. I will follow you back. My username is Amber Adventures.
Definitely. I'll click on that follow button right away. I'm always interested in your travel stories.
Hi, ma'am. What are your operating hours?
Hi, we're open Monday to Thursday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., Friday and Saturday from 10 a.m. to midnight, and Sunday from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m.
That's awesome. How much do the games cost to play?
Each game has a different fee, but first you need to load money onto a game card.
What's the minimum I can load on the card?
The minimum is $10.
Can I earn any points or win a prize if I win?
Yes, as you play, you earn tickets. You can redeem these for prizes at our prize counter.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your time.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Speedy Car Rentals. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to rent a car for the weekend, please.
Sure. May I see your driver's license and a credit card for this booking?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you. What type of car are you looking for?
Something compact and fuel efficient. I'll mostly be driving around the city.
I recommend our Toyota Yaris or Hyundai i20. Both are great on gas.
That sounds good. How much is the daily rental rate?
The Toyota Yaris is $45 per day, and the Hyundai i20 is $50 per day.
I'll go with the Yaris.
Great choice. Would you like to add insurance coverage? It's $15 per day and covers any damages.
Yes, I'll take the insurance.
Perfect. And would you like to add a GPS or a child seat?
No, I don't need those, thanks.
All right. Your total comes to $180 for 3 days, including insurance. Please sign here.
Done.
Here are your keys. The car is in parking spot B12. Please return it with a full tank by Monday at 10 a.m.
Got it, thank you.
Have a great trip.
What time does your brother wake up?
He wakes up at 7 a.m. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. What time does your brother eat breakfast?
He eats breakfast at 7:30 a.m. When do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. What time does your brother go to school?
He leaves for school at 8:15 a.m. What about your husband? When does he go to work?
He goes to work at 8 a.m.
Does he wake up at 6?
No, he wakes up at 6:30.
Really? That's early.
And that wraps up today's listening practice. I hope you had a great time. Don't forget to join us again next time. Bye and take care.